Will PSTV be testing the $1 levels by the end of this week, or is this a ticker which has already ran its course? What's up, trading friends? Welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be discussing PSTV from 3 different perspectives: the why, the what, the where. Considering the stock is already up over a whopping 70%, the why is going to be one of the most important things which we talk about. And you know, I'm like a broken record about this, where so many traders are watching trading videos, but they're trading penny stocks. Trading penny stocks and trading in general things like Forex or equities or futures or options are complete separate things, especially if you are a momentum trader. Because let me tell you something, so many of you guys are watching fair value gap, inverse fair value gap over and over again. Okay? All these little terms, right? All these little, technical analysis thing. And I'm not gonna lie to you. When I first started, like, look, this is my book. Okay? I've been trading for 8 years. This is my book. Okay? It's filled with patterns and candles and this and oh my goodness, this is that and that is this and this is there and that is there and this is there. Let me continue going for you guys, right? Over and over and over again, right? It doesn't end. It doesn't end. There's no end. Okay? So it keeps going, right? But guess what? I realized that trading penny stocks and trading regular stocks are completely different. Why? Because when you're trading a penny stock and the company just came out with news that they have potentially found the cure to cancer, it doesn't matter if the RSI tells me it's overbought. It doesn't matter because the RSI doesn't know what cancer is. The RSI doesn't know anything. It doesn't matter. So this is why we talk about the why first, all right? This is why we have the why, then we have the what, then we talk about the stock, and then we get to the chart, okay? So let's talk about the why. So when it comes to the why, right? When it comes to the why, Plus Therapeutics announces FDA clearance of its investigational new drug application using Rebutril for the treatment of childhood brain cancer. Amazing, amazing news, okay? So right off the bat, we have great news over here. Let's go over here. We'll put the breaking news as amazing. Volatility of the ticker is also amazing, considering this is a ticker which does have a market cap of only around $10 million, and this is after the stock's already around 70%, okay? So do remember that, right? Now, with that said, the next thing which we want to talk about is going to be short interest. It's going to be the company's cash, okay? Let's go ahead and look at the company's cash. Now, why are we looking at the company's cash, right? I think that this is so important because people don't really understand why they're looking for what to look for, and then why are they looking for the things they're looking for? Like, what is the question they're trying to answer? When I'm looking at the company's finances, I'm not looking to see how much money they made. I'm not looking to figure out what their growth rate annually is. I'm not looking for any of this. I'm trying to figure out, is this company going to mess with the supply of the stock in order to raise capital and screw me over? Public offering, direct offering, new S1s, new S3s. These are the things that I don't know where you wake up and the stock is down 40 to 50%. Let's take a look. Let me show you guys an example. Xia. Look at this. One candle down 27% from 270 to 169. Why? Because the company had an offering. The company had an offering at 175 each for shares, right? So again, this is why you can't just go based off of the chart. So many of you guys are so obsessed with the chart and you just think that the answers to profitability lie within the charts. They don't. They do not. I'm sorry, they do not. I'm sorry, they do not. I'm sorry, they don't. Now, I'll be honest with you. There's 1,001 ways of becoming a profitable trader. And that's personally one of my favorite things is I believe trading is where creativity meets the financial world, right? Because there's truly, I've met people from all walks of life, trading options, shorting, going long, freaking, penny stocks, Forex, this strategy, that strategy. And they all make money. So there's no one right thing, but I'm here to tell you that if you're only using charts for trading penny stocks, you're playing on hard mode. So let's talk about the company's cash and whether or not they're going to dilute or not. So the total cash right now is sitting at 1.8. They burn 2.64 every single 3 months, meaning they only have 2 months of cash left on hand. They're broke. They are broke, okay? So we're going to go over here. and put their money as bad. Now, dilution. Okay, this is what we're talking about. Let's go over here. Historically, they've diluted a lot. Right now, they do have an oversupply. I'm going to put this as bad. Okay, probability of them diluting is bad. Now, institutional ownership, 0.8%. That is terrible. Anything sub 1% is horrible. Now, short interest. Let's go over here. Pull this bad boy up. Pstv. Oh. Pstv. Increased 20% the past day, down up 21% the past week as well. So this is not good. When short interest goes up, guys, this is not good. Overall, it's looking weak as shit. Okay? It's not looking good. It's not looking good, man. It's not looking good. For me, I don't think it's going to break above the 50-cent levels. Now, could we get a retest at these levels over here at approximately 35, 36 cents-ish? Possibly, right? I could see it coming up over here and testing 36 cents again, but I don't think it's going to break 45 cents. And if it breaks 45 cents, which it won't, I don't think it will break 45 cents. That's it. Okay. Again, remember, I have been wrong before. I'm not a perfect trader. I'm far from being a perfect trader. Okay. I have a 80% win rate. When we go over here, this is my total win rate. It's 82%. Okay. Now, 82% win rate might sound amazing, but you guys got to realize that with an 82% win rate, that still means that, 20% of the time I am wrong. 20%, that's 1 out of 5 times, right? And yeah, you win some, you lose some. Now, I don't know why this isn't showing, because I did have a red day in June. I don't know why it just glitched all of a sudden. But anyway, so we had one red day so far in June. It was yesterday. Okay, as you guys can see, my current red day streak is 1. My highest win streak has been 24 days. My longest red streak has been 3 days. May, we had only 3 red days. April, we only had no red days, literally. And March, we had 1 red day. Now, I'll show you guys these numbers. What are these numbers? So we started a 10K account, $10,000 account challenge. Look at this. 90% win rate. It should be lower because I don't know why it's not accounting for this trade over here, which we took. But 90% trade win rate. It should be like 89%. I already looked at it. But close to 90% win rate. Okay? The past 10 months. And not the past 10 months. The past 3 months doing the 10K account challenge. And this is what we've been trading. Okay? This is what we've been trading. These are the tickers. EYEN, APVO, SLRX, PCSA, ACA, WINT, NAOV, WETAC, WINT, KW, CTXR, KLTO, Mullen, FAT-TGL, BJDX, RSLS, RAVB, TRA, NVV, MINM, right? All these different tickers. 13%, 21%, 28%, 24%, 10%, 12%, 11%, 21%. Okay? So we've been doing very well. God bless. All right? Now, that's it. I wish you guys the best of luck, man, whether it's in trading or their life. If you guys are interested, also one more thing. If you guys want to trade alongside me every single day, I added 10 more spots right now to the 50% discounted version, okay? There should be about, some people already joined, so there should be about 7 spots left, give or take, 7 or 6 spots left, give or take. But they're flying off the shelf, man. Check them out. We offer a 7-day free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee. Wilson says, hi, Sam, thank you for hard work. And all the community, my 7-day free trial finished. It was great. I thank you for membership. 17 7 days you brought in. We've been kicking ass, guys. Day in, day out, we've been making it rain. Before joining Top Trick Academy Monday, I've been negative 12K this year. What a weekend, very thankful day. Keeping my membership. Jump to present day. Today, my man, past week, $985. 32K. Literally this morning. Yesterday, $98 for Ali, 5K for Sean. We do also do crypto trading as well. Okay, we do also have a crypto alert section. But yeah, give it a shot, okay? The link is in the comment section and description. Again, 7-day free trial, 30 days money back guarantee. I would join, see if I make money or not. If I make money, I'll stick around for more. If I don't make money, I'll pack my bags and I'll leave and I'll never ever come back again. That's what I'll do, okay? With that said, I appreciate you guys all. Thank you for watching. Happy listening trading. Remember, don't give up, don't quit, because 90% of traders are not unprofitable and 90% of traders quit before they become profitable. Thank you. Your boy Sam from Top Academy.